Morning. Brian Van Slyke with Coulter Urban, providing your 1 St. Petersburg construction update. Right now I'm on the north side of the property in the parking garage on the northeast corner of our site. There you can see the tower. Preparations are underway for pouring the 7th floor deck this morning. In the center of the site you can see the parking garage, which is started. And in the background, you can see the hotel, that is the overall height of the hotel. We still have a little bit more work on the roof, but that is the roof level of the hotel. We have 3 tower cranes on site, 1 located at the hotel, 2 located adjacent to the tower. I'm going to take you on site and show you around a little bit more. Take you through the floors so you can see all the work that's being done to deliver the tower. We're on the ground level. I'm standing at what will be the front door to the project. This is the lobby. You can see the outline of the balcony up above. And I think you can catch the beam up above. That'll be the glass that surrounds the ground floor lobby. And back that way is all your property management offices, the mail room, back to the elevator stack. We have the underground plumbing going in, so we're getting all the utility work started on the ground floor. We're looking from the west side of the tower down onto the parking garage. Again, we're building it west half first, so what you can see is that they poured the 2nd floor deck and they're forming the 3rd floor deck of the northwest portion of the garage. They'll continue to stair step their way down, going all the way up with the west half, and again they'll come back down and fill in the east half. Right now it's being used for lay down and storage of materials. And in the background, that's the hotel. We're looking at the hotel parking garage. The pool will be up on the 5th floor, and you can see the block work delineates where the first level of rooms will be. And it'll go all the way up. That is our roof deck, and they're continuing the elevator overruns and stair towers up on the roof. Staying on the owner's terrace of Unit 401. Great view of the bay. See all the work going on in the Tom James Museum next door. Big renovations of the first 2 floors. I hope everybody enjoyed the site update. I'm here in our design center where we're putting our finishing touches so everyone can start making their selections. We'll be starting from the lower floors to the top. So look forward to having everybody come in and make their design decisions. Also be sure and check out our latest time-lapse video. And until next time, have a great day.